Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Math 07. In my previous videos, I explained how to find mean, median and mode for ungrouped data. If you haven't watched it yet, please check it out. In this video, let us learn how to find the mean for ungrouped discrete data. If you watched my previous video, we already discussed ungrouped discrete data, which shows each value separately and is ideal for small data sets. Whereas in grouped data, we need class intervals or groups. Before we solve the problem, let's understand the statistical symbols. In statistics, we use certain letters and symbols to represent important concepts. The letter X denotes the observations. The letter F represents the frequency of these observations, indicating how often each one occurs in the dataset. The symbol sigma, it represents the sum of all values or frequencies in our calculations. Now let us see an example. Find the mean of the following frequency distribution. So this is the frequency distribution table. This is a discrete frequency distribution because X takes only specific countable values. You can count the values of X 2, 5, 7 and 8. The data is ungrouped because the values are not grouped into intervals. So this sum is an example for how to find mean for discrete ungrouped data. Now let us find the mean. First take X column. Next consider the frequency column. Add all the observations. This can be represented as sigma F or capital N. So here if you add the frequencies, you will get capital N is equal to 15. So now we are going to create a new column called Fx, where you need to multiply X and F columns. So here we have to multiply X and F columns. 2 into 2, 4, 5 into 4, 20, 7 into 6, 42, 8 into 3, 24. So we have to multiply the X and F column to get a new column, that is Fx. Now you need to find summation Fx. So you have to add all the values in Fx column. 4 plus 20 plus 42 plus 24. Then you will get summation Fx is equal to 90. The formula for mean is equal to summation Fx by summation F, or you can take summation Fx by capital N. So you can choose anything. Capital N is nothing but summation F. So now you have to substitute the values. Mean is equal to summation Fx by capital N. Summation Fx is 90 and capital N is 15. 90 is divisible by 15 by 6 times. So mean is equal to 6. So the mean of the given frequency distribution is 6. Let us see another example. If the mean of the following data is 18.75, find the value of P. Check what is given and what you have to find. Here they have given you mean. Mean is 18.75. You have to find the value of P. That is missing observation. The method is same as the previous sum. First we need to take X column. Then we have to consider the frequency column. You have to add all the values in the frequency column. If you add, you will get 32. You can use capital N or you can use summation F. Now you have to create a new column, that is Fx, which means you are going to multiply X and F columns. 10 into 5, 50, 15 into 10, 150, P into 7. Here P is a variable. So 7 into P is 7P. So you can multiply the remaining. Next, you need to add the values in the Fx column. That is summation Fx. We have to add all the constants. If you add all the constants, you will get 460. And 7P will remain same because it has a variable P. You know the formula for mean, that is mean is equal to summation Fx by summation F or summation Fx by capital N. You can take anything. From the question we know mean is equal to 18.75 and we have got N is equal to 32 and we know summation Fx is equal to 460 plus 7P. Substitute all these values in the formula. In place of mean, we have to take 18.75. 18.75 is equal to summation Fx 460 plus 7P divided by capital N is 32. So substitute 32. So here 32 is in division. If it goes to left hand side, it becomes multiplication and it goes to numerator. If you multiply 18.75 into 32, you will get 600. Now you can take constant values to one side. 460 is in positive sign. If it comes to left hand side, it becomes negative. 600 minus 460. You will get 140. So 7p is equal to 140. 7 is in multiplication. If it comes to right hand side, it becomes division. So P is equal to 140 divided by 7. 7 table 140 20 times. So P is equal to 20. Here the value of P is equal to 20. In this video, we learned how to calculate mean for ungrouped discrete data using direct method. It's a simple process that gives us the average of the data points. In my next video, I will show you how to calculate the mean for grouped data, which is slightly different but just as important. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more.